General Charles Kahariri, General John Omenda, General Fatuma Ahmed, General Otieno, and all the other officers that this morning you have taken charge of the leadership of the Kenya Defence Forces. Congratulations. And my very best wishes as you assume your responsibilities in the service of our nation. I have only three things to commend you. The appointment that you have been given and the mandate and assignment that has been bestowed on you is to serve the Republic and the people of Kenya. It is a solemn responsibility. It is a responsibility put on your shoulders. You will exercise authority, but you must remember that exercising authority comes with huge responsibility, and responsibility comes with accountability. It is my expectation, and that of the people of Kenya, that the authority you will exercise will come with enormous acknowledgement of responsibility on your shoulders and the accountability that comes with it. Our Kenya Defence Forces has a history of professionalism, a history of loyalty, commitment, and a history that speaks many positive things about the Republic of Kenya. I exhort you to live up to that history and hold the Kenya Defence Forces in the high esteem that the people of Kenya hold the Kenya Defence Forces. Let me repeat, for the avoidance of doubt, and in line with your oath of office, that you will serve the people of Kenya. None of you has been appointed to serve your communities, regions, faiths, or any other partisan pursuit. Your mandate, your responsibility, your assignment is to the people of Kenya. Secondly, you will have officers, men and women, serving under you. Be firm but fair, so that we can grow the Kenya Defence Forces and make it an institution that will provide for the security and integrity of our nation. You have a most important responsibility in the protection of our country, its citizens, and our sovereignty as a nation. And finally, beyond the mandate you have, is to assist the other security agencies in the execution of their mandate and in the overall security of the country, as is required of you by the Constitution. Otherwise, I want to congratulate you and your families for the responsibilities that you have assumed. You have my support, my prayers, my goodwill as you discharge your responsibilities. And the people of Kenya have tremendous goodwill for the military. So on behalf of the people and the government of Kenya, again, let me wish you my very best wishes, my support in every way that is required of me, and to wish you well in your new responsibilities. I have had conversations with you on the teamwork and cooperation that is expected of us. You're aware of the situation the country faces. Immediately after this function, we're going to have a conversation on how KDF is going to lead the other security agencies in managing the serious environmental and climate change situation that we face as a country at this moment. I have discussed this with the new CDF, and shortly we will be asking the KDF to roll out its capabilities to support other agencies in dealing with the situation we have in the country at the moment. So again, congratulations, my very best wishes. You have our support and you have our prayers. Asante sana.
Let us all rise for the national anthem.